Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to be unboxing my Sumikko Gurashi blind box that I got from Barnes & Noble, and I got this for $10. And it's all written in Japanese, so I do not know what that says, but here's what it looks like. And here's any of the charms that you could get, and there's 8 total options. So now to open it. So already the first thing I see is this paper that's folded up, and it basically just has the options that you could get for the charms because there's nothing in the inside, but if you fold it out then it'll show all of the options, and it's written in Japanese again so I can't read it. And the charm was wrapped in bubble wrap, and it was basically heavily wrapped because the charm isn't that big, but I was hoping I would get number 5, which is Togage. I believe I'm saying that wrong, but it's basically the blue dinosaur. And here's what I ended up getting. I got number 8, which was a little ghost with the dust balls, and I thought this was so cute. It's not what I wanted, but it was still super cute, and I'm grateful I got one that was really cute because all of them are really cute, and I just love Sumikko Gurashi because all of these options are just adorable. But yeah, this was number 8. It was basically just a ghost that has like this duster, and then it's cleaning off the dust balls. So here's a package that it came in, and one section of it was for the charm itself, and the other section was for the cell phone strap, so I'm just cutting it open now. So when I take it out, there's one ghost and a little dust ball that's attached together, and then with the little chain it connects 2 other dust balls, and the dust balls are cute also because there's little feet on them, which is adorable. And when I take it out, I noticed the back of it is so much more cute because I didn't see the back of it at first, which is kind of weird because you could see through the packaging. But like if you notice in the back of it, you can see the little part that's sticking out that has like basically the tail of the ghost, if that makes sense. I don't know, it's just so cute. But yeah, overall I give this blind box a thumbs up because this is so adorable. Thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoy this content, be sure to subscribe for more, and like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below which Sumikko Gurashi character is your favorite. Bye!